Hi, I'm Josi from Nanocosmos. Going live in real time doesn't have to be complicated. With nanoStream, you can start a professional live stream in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I will take you through how our platform works and highlight some of its key features. I will do it on the browser, but you could also easily integrate into your system with our APIs. nanoStream is a complete platform built to let you focus on what really matters, your business. With its global delivery network, integrated player, and detailed analytics, nanoStream makes it easy to go live in real time and deliver the best possible experience for your audience. And by the way, with nanoStream, you can rely on 24/7 availability and 100% uptime, so your streams are always ready for your audience. When you log in, you will land on the dashboard homepage, your central hub for everything streaming. Here you can see the total numbers of streams and how many are live right now. Your most recent streams on the right for quick access. An alert icon at the top that tells you if something needs your attention. Usage, statistics for ingest, playout, and trends. Everything you need to manage your streams is right here, clean and simple. On the left sidebar, you will find all the tools. Dashboard, the overview we're looking at right now. All streams, where you can view and manage every stream you've created. Create stream, the button to start a new live stream. Webcaster, our built-in browser-based encoder for quick and easy live streaming. Under monitoring, you will find analytics, detailed stats for ingest, playout, and concurrent viewers, alerts and advices, notifications about important events like duplicate ingest or connection issues. Alright, now that you know how to move around the dashboards, let's go to what really matters. Create your first live stream. To start your first live stream, click Create Stream. Here you can add a tag to keep your streams organized. Select one or more transcoding profiles for different devices and connection speeds. Choose extra live processing features if you need them. Thumbnails, automatically capture preview images. Motion clips, create short clips from your live stream. Live replay, replay part, or all of your stream instantly. Recording, save your live stream for later use. Enable timecode, which adds time markers to your stream for syncing data or analytics. When you're ready, click Create, and your new stream is set up. After creating the stream, you will land on the stream overview page. Here you will find your ingest information if you're using an external encoder, the live playout URL to test your stream in the browser, the iframe embedded code to add the nanoStream player directly to your website. This page is where you will manage everything for this specific stream. Now that we have the stream ready, let's go live. You can stream using your own external encoder with the provided connection details, or simply go live right from your browser with the built-in nanoStream webcaster. If you're still looking for an encoder, take a look at our partners featured on the nanoStream Ready page. All of them are fully certified and work seamlessly with our platform. Before we go live, let's take a closer look at the webcaster to see how easy it is. On the stream overview page, click Start nanoStream Webcaster. Your camera preview will appear right in the browser. If it's your first time, your browser may ask you to allow camera and microphone access. Click Allow to proceed. You will see yourself in the preview window. When you're ready, click Start Streaming and you are live. While your stream is running, you can manage advanced features from the Live Processing tab. Thumbnails and motion clips, use the small arrow button next to each preview to refresh or update them at any time. Live replay. Replay your entire stream or just specific segments. Click and share. Instantly create and share short clips from your live session. Under recordings, you will find all saved versions of your live streams. You will see the date and time each recording was created, a recording link to watch or download, file details like size and whether it's the latest or a single session recording. It's an easy way to review, archive or share past live sessions. No extra tools needed. Once you are live, you can embed the nanoStream player directly into your website or app using the iframe or HTML code snippets provided. For developers, the API and webhooks make it simple to integrate nanoStream into your existing workflows. In the Analytics section, you will see detailed usage states, ingests and player data, trends and concurrent viewers. Meanwhile, the Alerts and Advices panel warns you about important events, for example, duplicate ingest or connection issues, so you can respond quickly and keep your stream running smoothly. Under My Organization, you can invite teammates, assign roles securely, and collaborate on your streams. You can also switch between light and dark themes and access the Help Center whenever you need assistance. That's it! With nanoStream, real-time video simply works. You can start streaming in just a few clicks and trust it will run smoothly and reliably. If you find this walkthrough helpful, give it a like and tell us in the comments what you're planning to stream next. If you have any questions, drop down below. We're always happy to help. Now you're ready to go live with nanoStream.